stories they were left behind. Silent breeze, I got nothing on my mind. This madness is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's time to hear the lights under the street.
Hey y'all, what's up? Anyway, so I'm starting off the vlog more in the afternoon. It's like after 4 in the afternoon. Yeah. I just put Brianna down for a nap. I fed her and put her down for a nap because I'm about to cook, okay? Okay, y'all, like I don't usually cook, but I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook some curry on white rice. I wish we had sides. I probably tell Brianna's father to bring some sides home when he gets here. I don't know how much footage I will get because my phone is on low. My phone is basically Brianna's phone until she gets a tablet. My mother ordered her a tablet, but it won't be here until November 10th. So they say. I doubt it. Probably more than that, but yeah. So her tablet is coming soon because Brianna abused and used my phone. Like, she sent messages to people. I catch her sending like an email to somebody before. Like, girl. Yeah, like she be. I don't even use my phone no more. But yeah. So like I said, I'm about to cook some curry chicken and white rice. But I don't know how much footage I will have because my phone is going dead. It's Brianna. Yeah, she's been my phone all day. And my Brianna's father, he's always cooking curry chicken, y'all. And he sent me this long ass voice note, like basically 3 minutes voice note on how to cook this curry chicken, y'all. So, he's not here. So I'm going to try cook this curry chicken. And my tripods are home, y'all. You all know I'm home, so all my stuff is basically home. And I hate to tote stuff back and forth. I hate it. It's too much. I have two. I can leave one here and I just know. Just know. I don't want to bring too much stuff. I just don't. When I'm coming here, it's just too much. But anyways, I'm about to start this chicken. Hopefully this is thaw a little bit because it's soaking. It needs to thaw down. Look who's up, bananas! Mwah. Anyways, guys, so I'm about to start this food now. Girl, bananas is up. How I'm about to do this? How? I'm gonna lock inside the car, see for a minute to cut up the chicken real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm about to cut up these wings real quick. I'm about to wash my hands and cut up these wings. I put some oil from Brianna because, child, I don't know, the mosquitoes be getting inside here, okay? They be getting inside here and my baby be getting bite up. So I just put some oil on her while she sit there for a minute. However long she sits there, child, she's up, so I don't know how much I get done. I may get it done, but it just has to go in stages. Anyways, let me start.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly.
So I brought my laptop from home. So I have to give Brianna that because she'd have to use my phone. So let me put this laptop on real quick for her. Put on some Miss Rachel or something. Just to entertain her for a little minute. Whilst I cut them chicken up. I hate fucking cutting chicken up. I hate dealing with chicken like that because the seasoning gets all on the fingernail. That's why I prefer my gloves. Yeah, I want to keep on. I don't want to touch her and touching stuff while I'm dealing with the chicken. So hopefully this will entertain her. She would not be focused on me, girl. So yeah, let's put this laptop on for you real quick, girl. She's in a car seat. So I don't know where I'm gonna place this laptop. Probably on the table or something like that.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for the belly, speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the cross, yeah. And drink. Leave all of your people, full speed, so for the belly, on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce, baby, and getting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife, she get chill. All because of how I kept it real. Life sweet, baby, on the speedway. A bitch anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, Tony. Leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for that belly, me. On me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
It is unbound seasoning chicken, but the change Brianna, of course, because she pooped. So we're gonna pause Miss Rachel for a second. Okay, girly girl. Okay, Miss Rachel, you can pause. I can Miss Rachel pause. Okay, I'm gonna change Brianna real quick. She been behaving since I been doing the chicken. Smart girl. Brianna, no. Can you say mama, mama? Can you say mama, sweet? Can you say dada, dada? Done from changing Brianna. About to wash my rice and put it on. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, so whilst my rice is on, I'm gonna wash up these dishes real quick. I usually wash up the dishes before I start cooking, but we're on a time crunch, and I have Brianna and her father isn't home with me, so child, got two, she got two, so yeah. Anyways guys, so I got my rice on, my curry on, and now I'm about to cut up these potatoes so I can put these in the curry when it's on, when the chicken is almost cooked or cooked, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So yeah. My potatoes already cut up. I'm about to put them in a minute. My rice is done. Here's my rice. I think I cooked so much rice. Here's my curry. I haven't added potatoes yet. Soon. I'm going to show you guys the finishing results when I'm done because my phone is going dead. So I'll see you guys in the next minute. Or, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. So yeah. Oh, good morning, you guys. So it's the next day. Guys, the curry actually came out good yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys because I didn't eat right away. I ate pretty late because yeah, I had some stuff to do. And but we don't have a microwave, so when it was time to warm the curry back up, I had to like put it in a pan to warm it up, and that wasn't presentable. Like when it's all mixed up together. Must make it some coffee. But the curry actually came out pretty good, tastes pretty good, and I'm pretty surprised I'm even saying that because I always give myself like a hard time. I judge myself pretty hard, so for me to say that, for me to actually say it tastes good to me, yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, we have some left over in the fridge. I'm about to eat that later on. So yeah, but I'm just about to make my coffee. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.